guys, in this video I want to show you what the biggest factors are for your reels going viral so that you are spending time on activities that are going to be highly effective for you and not worrying about things that really just don't move the needle forward. So let's get started. The first factor for having your reel go viral is the trending song you use. I highly recommend you do go check out different songs that are performing well for other accounts. It's something that doesn't need to take a bunch of time. You don't have to recreate all the video ideas that go with that song. You can still put your own spin on it, but using that song can really help you with growing your account. I also recommend that you spend 80% of your reels using sounds that have already proven to do well for your account, and then also spend 20% of your reels using songs that you've never used before, because that's going to add to your arsenal of songs that perform well for your account, and this allows you to recreate those results again and again and again. The second most important factor that has proven to do well for not only my account but also my clients' accounts as well is to make sure that you are creating reels that are going to invoke some sort of emotion. So this involves creating engaging reels, and by engaging, it needs to be entertaining, valuable, or informative, or inspire some type of emotion in somebody. And these can be something as simple as using quotes, okay? It doesn't need to be super involved, especially if you don't have a lot of time to invest in reel creation like I do. For example, this reel that I created, it uses a simple quote that's related to my business. I paired it with a nice background that's calming, and I used a trending audio that has already proven to do well on my account. That's all I did for this reel. It took me very little time to create because I used stock video and then overlaid some quotes and graphics over top, and then I just added the audio to the post. That's all I did. Didn't take me that much time, maybe 10 minutes. The third most important factor to having your reels do well is your edits. And so in this video in particular, something really interesting had happened that it had never happened to me personally, so that was kind of exciting. But basically, this reel ended up going viral 3 times, and that led to a drastic increase in not only the views, the engagement, but also the overall performance of this particular reel. And the only thing that was different about this reel compared to all the other reels I was posting at that time had to do with the edits. The edits were very streamlined, very smooth, and very well done. And so that caused this reel to go viral 3 times on 3 separate days. So it went viral when it was first posted, and then it went viral a week later, and then it went viral again a few days after that. So I really recommend, if you are doing multi-scene type reels, then make sure that your edits are streamlined and properly done. My fourth and final tip for you is kind of like sending out an SOS to a poor performing reel. Something that's very simple that you can do to increase performance is to make sure that you are engaging with people who are commenting on your reels. This particular reel had only received 90 views on my page when it was first posted an hour later. However, the next morning I had received a couple of comments on this post, and when I responded to them, those people had happened to be on Instagram, and so they were responding back right away. That caused this reel to increase its views by 400, which shouldn't have happened because this reel did not particularly resonate with my audience, but it's something that can increase your reach and your views simply by just talking to people. And so it's a really simple strategy to use, and it also helps build your engagement as well, which is an added bonus. If you are interested in learning more about creating content that primes your audience to buy, that helps it perform well, and is strongly related to growth, I highly recommend you go check out my free marketing membership. It doesn't cost you anything. I don't send you any emails. I don't try and upsell you on my services or anything. It's simply a more structured and organized resource for developing your social media strategy and also your content. And so if you're interested in that, I highly recommend you go check it out. I will paste the link in the description box below in case you're interested. But with that said, thank you so much for watching and staying till the end. If you like this video and receive value from it, please hit the like or subscribe button. That really helps me out, and it shows me that you resonated with this video, so I know to create more like this in the future. But with that said, I will catch you on the next one.